सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ पेज 85 13th chapter 4th shloka कर्म नैष्कर्म्य निर्बन्ध भावादेहस्थयोगिनः संयोगायोगविरहात् अहमासे यथा सुखम् Ashtavakra asked Janaka Maharaja, "Oh Janaka, you are very active in your duties as a king. You have not yet renounced your kingdom, your kingship. I think you have not yet arrived that what? Jnana Nishtha. If you have that Jnana Nishtha, how can you do all these activities?" Just to test Janaka Maharaja, he said, if you are a Jnani, you have to renounce everything. You have not taken sannyasa at all. For that, Janaka Maharaja answering, sannyasa is not the criterion for Jnana Nishtha. Sannyasa means a conventional sannyasa or ashrama sannyasa. One need not take ashrama sannyasa to be as a Jnani, because Jnanam is determined by your internal perception. Your internal perception means a perspective change. How you think about yourself, how you look at the world, that is very important. Not external dress code change is not required. Dress code cannot determine whether you are a samsari or asamsari. Even sannyasi also, having taken the ashrama sannyasa code, dress code, he may have that abhimana about his kamandalam, rudrakshamala, ashramam. Suppose that abhimana is there, raga, attachment towards those few things what he is having, he is no more a Jnani. Therefore, sannyasa means here antara sannyasa only we require. Janaka Maharaja clarifies. Ashtavakra knows that. But Janaka Maharaja is telling, even though Ashtavakra knows, Ashtavakra want to get that from Janaka Maharaja, that answer. Therefore, inside Ashtavakra is so happy. My student is best student. So Janaka Maharaja says that. So there is no need of giving up anything or taking for me. Adana, hana is not required. The one who has got deha abhimanam, kartrutva abhimanam, I am the doer, I am doing, that ahankara, ego is there. For such a person, there are do's and don'ts. Always do's and don'ts, vidhi nishedha, meant for such a person who is having that kartrutva abhimana, identity with that I am doer, I am doing, I am father, I am bringing up my children from ground floor to first floor. I am a mother, I am taking care of my children, I am feeding my children, that abhimana. I am a daughter-in-law, I am a wife, I am doing a lot of duties. Every action you see we have, before our action ego goes first. Before our action goes front, ego goes first. Ego ki you have to say what? Go and sollano. But we are carried away by our ego. What is the symptom? What is the indication for that? Expectation. I want concern from others. I want some appreciation from others. I want a few nice words from others. So many other things I expect. Not only that, if I won't get those nice words from others, I blame them or I get hurt inside. So these are all the indications of a samsari in Artha, who is bound. I am bound by my own feelings, my own expectations. So I am not happy. I feel so uneasy. I feel so uneasy when I am not able to get what I expect from others. This is called a typical samsara problem. Nothing else. This is called samsara problem. So therefore, karma naishkarmya nirbandha bhavaha, to do bhavaha means all these presence of what? Nirbandha means in Tamil we say kattayama pandanam. Nirbandhana kattayam. Compulsory duties. Karma naishkarmya, whether to do or not to do. Karma means action. Naishkarmya means not doing an action, inaction. Whether to do this or not to do this, all these compulsory compulsions only for such a person, dehastha yoginaha. Those who are having control over their body, mind always, I want to do this, I don't want to do this. I want to think about this only, I should not think about, all the time conditions. So many conditions. Sadhana time you can have all these things. Once you get jnanam, you don't see anything. Jnani is one spontaneously dharmic. He never go out of dharma. So that bhavana is natural for him. But this karma, akarma or naishkarmyam only for such people, those who have got deha abhimana. Dehastha yoginaha means the one who has got body identity. Deha adhyasa. Ignorant person ityartha. As long as deha adhyasa is there, atma ajnanam is there in artham. Anatma deham. Deha adhyasa, deha abhimana means what? Anatma abhimana. Anatma abhimana is there, atma jnanam is not there. Once atma jnanam comes, anatma adhyasa will go away. Anatma dhyasa or adhyasa will go away. So ajnanam will go away. Atma ajnanam will go away. Samyoga ayoga virahat. Samyoga, association with some people, certain things. Dissociation. Ayoga means dissociation. I am free from either association or dissociation. He is not in any association. People are always one association or other, member of so and so association. Member, treasurer, secretary, president, vice president. Some association. This is natural for human beings. Human beings are social animals. We always want to. அந்த அசோசியேஷனில் இல்லைன்னா நம்ம காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ்லோனே ஒரு சொசைட்டி இருக்கு இல்லையோ, அப்பார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸில் சொசைட்டி இருக்கும். அந்த சொசைட்டிக்கு பிரசிடென்ட்டு, செக்ரட்டரி. ஸோ ஹி ஹாஸ் டு டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் ஆல் தோஸ் திங்ஸ். ஸோ சம்திங் ஆர் அதர் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் ஹேவிங் சம் அட்டாச்மெண்ட் வித் ஒன் அசோசியேஷன் ஆர் டிட்டாச்மெண்ட் வித் சர்டன் திங்ஸ். ஸோ திஸ் ஞானி இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் நோ தட் ஐ ஆம் Brahman, I am asanga. I cannot have either sanga or asanga. Not asanga means what? As Atma, I am ever detached. So here doesn't mean you have to give up everything. Suppose you are a secretary of your apartments in the complex law. இப்போ போய் நான் ரிசைன் பண்ணிடுறேன்னு சொல்லாதுங்க. Someone has to take care of, no? The duty terms will change, responsibilities. But when you are working as a secretary or president of that association, don't have an abhimana. Abhimana tyagaha eva sannyasah, not exact action. Abhimana tyagam pannadu. Never expect the name and fame out of that. And I am doing such a great thing. I am serving lot of people. All these are because of Deha Abhimana. Deha is Anatma. So therefore you have Kartrutva Abhimana. Since I am Atma, how can I have Deha Abhimana and ego problem? Ego problem won't come for a Jnani. Loka sangrahame vapi sampashyan kartum arhasina. For the sake of world, he or she does. When whatever I have to do, it comes to me, I do that. That's all. I have no any attachment or aversion. Be free from attachment and aversion. Samyoga, ayoga, virahat. Virahat means free from. Then what? Aham ase, I remain. How I remain? Yatha sukham. I remain as Atma. I remain as Atma. When I remain as Atma means in that I, it is OC or RC? OC. Lakshyartha I. Secondary I, not primary I. Primary I means Mukhyartha, popular meaning. When I say I, popular meaning is what? Normally Ahankara, body, mind, complex. I am so and so. Popularly people know that only. Here in Vedanta class what we are doing? And the popular meaning we are keeping aside for 1 hour. Because you are not doing any transactions with the world. Now you have tied your roll with your chappal. Okay. You are neither wife or husband or member or associated with any association. You are not that here. You are just sitting a Vedanta Vidyarthi. That studentship also only temporary to get Jnanam. That role only you are playing now. All other roles you have to leave outside that door. Then Lakshyartha you can claim. Lakshyartha I, Tatparyam. Lakshyartha means what? Implied I. Not primary I, but secondary I. Secondary I. When I say I am Brahman, I am not associated with anything. Whenever we say I am, that I is what I? Secondary I. Lakshyartha I. Not primary I. Primary I alone is wife, housewife, householder, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, father-in-law, son-in-law. That is primary I. You cannot avoid that. You cannot avoid that. This primary I student I also only temporary hold until you get secondary I knowledge thoroughly. Okay, I am student of Swamini so and so. ஒன்றுமே சொல்லிக்கவே வேண்டாம். எதை பற்றி பெருமைப்பட வேண்டிய தேவையே இல்லை. என்ன பெருமைப்படுறதுக்கு இருக்கு? எல்லாம் அனாத்மா தான். ஓகே, don't have any type of hypocrisy. We need not have any type of hypocrisy. எல்லா hypocrisy, எல்லா name, fame, everything, ego, you are nurturing an artham. We are nurturing ego. I am studying all Upanishads. I am doing my Brahma Sutra also. I am studying Brahma Sutra also. So you are putting lot of manure to what? Ego, ahankara. What I? Primary I. கிளாஸுக்கு வந்ததே ப்ரைமரி ஐன்னு கட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தான். அது போய் மறுபடி தண்ணி ஊற்றி மேன்யூர் போட்டு நான் அது படிக்கிறேன் இது படிக்கிறேன். இங்கே வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் இது ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம். வேதாந்தத்துக்கு வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம். ஆஃப்டர் கம்மிங் டு வேதாந்தா people have another problem, intellectual cholesterol. Intellectual cholesterol, that is called arrogance. Vidya garvam. Vidya garvam varakudadu. Okay. Then only you can ase sukham. Yatha sukham means what? My own nature. This sukham is not coming sukham. It is not ayaram sukham. Yatha sukham means as ananda swarupam I am. I remain as Atman. Next shloka. Up to here we saw in the last class. Shloka number 5. अर्थानर्थो न मे स्थित्वा गत्या न शयनेन वा तिष्ठन् गच्छन् स्वपन् तस्मात् अहमासे यथा सुखम्. I remain as Ananda Swarupam, my real nature. What is my real nature? Brahma Chaitanyam, consciousness. Primary I is Ahankara Chidabhasa, body, mind, complex plus Chidabhasa. Primary I. Secondary I is Brahma Chaitanyam, which is of the nature of Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam. Aham Sukhamasena, as Atma Swarupam I remain. So, knowing that fact, there is no problem for me while I am playing my role. As long as body, mind is there, you have to take care of body, you have to depend upon other things. No one can live without support of anyone, including Jnani, including Sannyasi. இன்னும் சொல்ல போனால் சன்னியாசி தான் நிறைய பேர் மேலே டிபெண்ட் ஆகுவான். ஃபேமிலியில் only one son, one daughter they depend on. Sannyasi is taking care of whole society, is depending upon whole society. So whole society is his family. What is the difference? The sannyasi is not having any burden, free from burden. Entire whole society is taking care of, guiding the people, but he never feel any burden. Whereas grihastha, நாம் இருவர் நமக்கு ஒருவர், அந்த ஒருவனே ஒரு பையன் ஒன்று பொண்ணு பையன், இந்த தான் அதுக்கே எவ்வளோ பேர்டன், எவ்வளோ பேர்டன். ஒரு அப்பா அம்மா, யூ cannot avoid them, no? Not able to take care of them. So much burden he feels. I'm not able to take care of them, he feels. Why? Because of abhimana. Because of abhimana. Like that person while he is traveling in the train, keeping the suitcase on his head. And fellow passenger asked, fellow traveler, why you are carrying the suitcase upon your head? I don't want to give burden to the train now. I don't want to give the burden to the train. Even you keep on your head also, who is taking that burden? Train only. Why can't you leave and keep down? Unintelligent person. Similarly, we people think that we are taking care of, we are having lot of responsibilities. If I won't take care of them, who will take care of them? Husband feels like that. If I am not there at home, she cannot do anything. She also feels like that. அந்த அம்மா சொல்ல, நீங்கள் ஊருக்கு போனால் நான் நன்னா ஆர் he says, I am better off. அதுதான் better off அன்னு அர்த்தம். Better half. So like that, we think that people are all depending upon us. Really speaking, nobody is depending upon us. Everybody is happy independently. So therefore, the sannyasi or a jnani, even though is taking care of the entire society, not having burden inside. I am not carrying everything. It happens in that phenomenon, in this phenomenon. நான் பண்றேன், அதுதான் error, superimposition. That is the cause for sorrow. He says, artha anartha na me. There is no artha means prayojanam, benefit or profit. Anartha means loss. There is no gain or loss for me. There is no gain or loss for me. In 5-match series, 3 matches you win, India win 3 matches. இப்போ இந்தியா நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்குல்ல, they are very nicely playing, I think. Okay, 3 matches over, 2 matches are what? It is neither gain or loss. Because 3 matches already we have got. The 2 more matches are just like a play, leela. Adu madri, there is no artha, there is no anartha. There is no gain or there is no loss. Na me, in me, stitva gatva. Gatya, by standing or sitting, stitva, or gatya, by going. Stitva gatya, by staying in one place, I am not going to lose anything, I am not going to anything. I am not going to gain anything. By staying in one place. By going to some other place, I am not going to achieve any new thing. Who is telling? Jnani. Jnani is telling. There is nothing I am going to accomplish by going to some place. Or by going to some place, I am not going to lose anything. Or by staying in one place, I am not gaining or losing anything. Then what? Yatha sukham ase. No gain or loss. Gatya. Na shayanena va. Suppose I am immobile. Shayana means bedridden. Sometimes people become bedridden. Well, they are not able to move from their room or from their house. Everyone will get such a status after status. Okay, that is also a status. Or wheelchair. Everyone comes to you only. You need not go to see anyone. Wheelchair, third leg, or sometimes you nicely walk in your house only. This is called immobile, means your movements are curtailed. Shayanam means Movements are curtailed. Most of the time you have to be on the bed. Doctor says don't move. So what? Is there any loss? Even I am on the bed, I am secondary I, Brahman only. So I accept the body as its own nature, whatever comes. எனக்கு ஏன் இது வருது இந்த ப்ராப்ளம், இந்த டிசீஸ் எனக்கு ஏன் வருது, நல்ல புண்ணியக்காரன் தானே பண்ணா, எனக்கு ஏன் வருந்தா, என்னென்ன ஜென்மாலோ பண்ணிட்டோமோ யாருக்கு தெரியும், எனக்கு ஏன் வருதுன்னு இந்த மாதிரி கேள்வி வராது. சயனேனவா திஷ்டன் கச்சன் ஸ்வபன். திஷ்டன் by remaining in one place, திஷ்டன் staying, gachan going, swapan sleeping. I am happy all the time. When you are happy, if you say so and so time, under so and so situation, if you say, you are பூச்சி அவ்வளோதான். அந்த மியூசிக்கல் சேர்ல வீசில் போடுவாங்க. அது மாதிரி அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மின்னு டக்குன்னு உட்காரணும். ஓகே, அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மின்னு டக்குன்னு உட்காரணும். அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும். when I am happy, if anybody asks, happy means what? As primary I or secondary I? As primary I never be happy, totally. Even while happy also, in the happiness போயிடுமோன்னு அந்த கவலை இருக்கும். அந்த potential துக்கம். Sukham also is a potential dukkam. While sad also, you are sad already. So in body mind there is no happiness at all. As secondary I am Ananda Swarupam. Therefore that question itself is irrelevant. That question itself is irrelevant. Are you happy? Why? And keta, are you na? You means what meaning? Primary meaning can never be happy. Secondary I is always happy. Ananda Swarupam. Therefore, chumma iru. Pesade. Very important statement this is. Brilliant. So whatever happiness coming and going for us, it is the conditional ananda, anubhava ananda, born out of some rasagulla, gulab jam, or some new house. New house until griha pravesham. Afterwards you know what are all problems are there. Anatma is dukkha misritam. జ్ఞాపకం ఇచ్చుకోండి. Other than Atma, secondary I, every body mind complex is full of defects. That is why learn to see dosham in everything. Dosha darshanam. That is good to claim your real nature. Dosha darshanam. Where? Not in your neighbor, not in brother-in-law or mother-in-law. Dosha darshanam, finding fault in anatma, in my own body. In every anatma vastu there is a dosha. One of the main important sadhana is dosha darshanam. Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, dosha darshanam. Seeing the defect in anatma is the best sadhana. Tishtan, gachan, swapan. Swapan means sleeping. All these are not there. Prayojanam is there, not there, or nashtam also not there. Therefore what? Sukham ase, yatha sukham. Next shloka. Swapato nasti me hanihi. Siddhar yatra vato nava. नाशोल्लासो विहायस्मात् अहमासे यथा सुखम्. Wherever aham ase, I remain. That I is everywhere secondary I. Janaka addressing himself I, that is always higher I. Higher I means secondary I, Lakshyartha I, OC, Atma. That OC, Atma, lending sentiency to this body-mind complex, primary I comes, Ahankara. Chidabhasa Sahita, Ahankara comes, I do my duties. But Aham we forget, Ahankara we hold on. Aham, primary I, Ahankara, Aham is secondary I. Ahankara is because of Aham. Just as the moonlight, when you see, you forget the sunlight. Sunlight is only falling upon the moonlight. There is no moonlight other than sunlight. Moonlight is sunlight. It is reflecting in the moon, therefore it is called moonlight. It is a shadow. Chayagraham, moon. But what we are doing when we see the moon? None of us remember sunlight. Moonlight, moonlight, moonlight. Ahankara is the moonlight. Moonlight, and the light belongs to sun. Moon belongs to moon. Similarly, when you say Ahankara, moonlight, and the Kara belongs to Kara belongs to the primary I, body, mind. Aham belongs to the original sunlight, like Atma, Chaitanyam. Okay, that's why like moonlight we are Ahankara, moody, moonju marinde irukum appo. Like that caterpillar, then chameleon. Chameleon colors go on changing. We are also smile, full smile, half smile, slight smile. Like that go on changing. If you take photographs, you can see how many changes. Have you seen those pictures? One round, just they put a line on it. One line podva. In the moonju matram, ipdi, so many variations they put. And the kannu kuda apdi pannu. Sirikra madri. Adella paatha namma moonju da adella. Have you seen that? Adu one vechukonga veetla. Adella enna namma moonju da. Adida ahankara. Jnani is free from all those changes. Okay. Swapataha me hanihi nasti. If I sleep some more time, I am not going to lose anything. Appadine thoongadungo. Chumma solren. Ayyo time aiduthu ponum. What you are going to lose? Kritakrityaha jnani, nothing is there to accomplish. Even I sleep some more time, I am already accomplished person. By sleeping some more time, I am not going to lose anything. No hani, no loss. Okay, na hani. Siddhir yatnato va nava. Siddhihi yatnavataha. Yatnavataha means by putting an effort. Sleeping is the opposite. In sleeping there is no effort. Sleeping there is no effort. To get some siddhi, to accomplish something, you have to put prayatnam, yatnam. That also I am not having any thing to accomplish. Nalla pannanum. People go on running, you see, why they are running? You can never find any relaxed person, first of all. Some of them are tensed outside, some of them are tensed inside. Either externally or internally. Boiling. Very restless. மூஞ்சி பிரசாந்தமாகவே இருக்காது. கொஞ்ச நேரம் இருந்தால் கூட தப்பி தவறி ஏதோ மெடிடேஷன் பண்ண உடனே கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் யதாஸ்தானம். That's why situations are not the cause for our sorrow. Remember, situations are not the cause for our sorrow, either favorable or unfavorable. What is favorable to you is unfavorable to another person. What is unfavorable to other person is favorable to you. No, situation by itself or objects by themselves are not neither favorable nor unfavorable. But how you look at it. If you are associated with that person or that thing, you feel it is favorable or unfavorable. Like arbitrary column. அதெல்லாம் பார்த்து அசல் சுச்சு கூட சொல்ல மாட்டோம். சப்போஸ் நோன் ஃபேஸ் இருந்தால் சுச்சுன்னு சொல்லுவோம், அவனுதான் கொஞ்சம் நேரம் கழிச்சு. ஸோ நியர் பர்சன் ஆல்சோ ஆஃப்டர் 13 days மத்திய மத்திய பானியம். ஒரு ஆள் அப்படி இருக்க டெட் பாடி. தீஸ் பீப்புள் ஆர் கோ ஆன் ட்ரிங்கிங் காஃபி மீற காஃபின்னு வை என்ன. ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் ஓன்லி ஃபார் சம் டைம், லைக் எ பபிள். Every person, real love also, love, affection, all like a bubble only. Everyone loves oneself. So Jnani is already accomplished person. There is no need of prayatnam for anything. Yatnataha siddhi na. So by putting an effort, there is nothing for me to accomplish. Why? Kritakrityaha aham. I have already accomplished. That's why, really speaking, sannyasis are not supposed to do any sort of pujas. Sannyasi should do hridaya atma dhyanam all the time. Strictly speaking, ashrama sannyasi is not supposed to do any puja. Even in Chaturmasya Vratam. So very, very strict. What sannyasi has to do? Only aham brahmasmi chintana. That's nothing else. Sannyasi means what? Already renounced everything. How can you do anything? Even anything they does also only mantra parayanam varkda, chanting varkda. No any ritual. That parayanam also not for his sake or her sake. That is also only meant to make the situation in where they are staying. That's all. No rituals at all. Having renounced everything, again doing rituals. Therefore, real sannyasi is one who renounced everything. That's called parivrajaka sannyasi. Parivrajaka sannyasi or what is called name irukku. One name is there. Okay. Paramahamsa parivrajika sannyasi, avadhuta sannyasi. Avadhuta sannyasi, all names only just verbally they have given. Who is the sannyasi? Remaining in Atman all the time. Naiva kurvan na karayan. Not necessary. Nashaha ullasova. Nashau ullasau. The sense of loss. Nashau means a sense of loss is not there. If result is not to my expectation. If result is not to my expectation, there is no worry, no anxiety. Or ullase, everything to my expectation, no elation. Ullasam also is not there. Swamini, he is a vegetable madri, no emotions. That is called samatvam yoga uchyate. Sama atma yaha pashyati sarvada. That is called samatvam. Samatvam means not equanimous mind. That is only a secondary meaning. That mukhya artha is Exact meaning of samatva means samadarshana means atma darshana. In body mind complex level there is no samadarshana. You should not see samadarshana. You should not have samadarshana. Body mind complex level ladies are ladies, gents are gents. Ella samadarshana swami. I have samadarshana, therefore I wear anybody's chappal anna. You cannot wear anyone's chappal like that. Samadarshana anna. Body mind complex level there is no samadarshanam, there should not be samadarshanam. There is in Vyavahara, body mind complex relations, roles level, there is a Vishama Darshanam only. You have to see them as there. You cannot give money equally to everyone. The one who works 1 hour and who works 10 hours, suppose. Samadarshanam anu solli panam kodutha. Adu eppadi? Sanna purinjakanum. Sama means Atma. Darshana means understanding. Samadarshana means as I am seeing the body mind complex anatma, I understand there is Atma in that person because Atma is all pervading. And the samama ella edathila ellarkulla irukra samama irukra Atmani gnanam moolama manas moolama therinjakanum. Buddhi moolama purinjinde irukanum. Adhe thavara samama anna body mind complex la samamilla. So Jnani is neither having any worry about loss, not having any elation, no distress, no eustress. Eustress anna elation. Vihaya, I have given up. Given up means no giving up. Dropped. They have gone from me. Vihaya asmat, because of this reason. With regard to my success, I am equanimous. With regard to my loss, loss belongs to what? Vyavaharika, body, mind. Gain also, benefit also belongs to what? Body, mind complex. So I am equanimous with them. Why? Why I am equanimous? I know there are gradations in Anatma. I accept the gradation. Health, health irukum. Or after 2 days, you know, sometimes we will flat. Vomiting, so motion. So, ennachana. That's Anatma Sariram. Body, how much it is troubling, ellarku theriyum. Nanna theriyum Swamini. Because it is nature. Accepting that is called maturity. That is called refinement. Ready to lose all losables. If I am not ready to lose all losables, I am loose. Ready to lose. Ready to drop. Before they are dropping us, we drop Abhimana. Easy to say, but we have to practice a lot. Sadhana pandanam, worth to practice. Aham sukhamase. Asmat, here vihaya asmat means because of this reason. I have nothing to gain, I have nothing to lose. Because of this reason, I remain as Atma Swarupam. Therefore what? No fear about future, no insecurity, no worry, no anxiety. Nimmadi ungal choice. Amid engirka, shant engirka na. Naneda Shanti Swarupam. When I am of the nature of peace, Ananda Swarupam, how can I expect any Ananda from anywhere? Suppose any pain comes out of situations to the body mind, I undergo. I allow the body mind to undergo that pain without any disturbance. I undergo that. because I have no control over that. Unavoidable, uncontrollable. When I have to struggle, therefore, sukham ase. Aham sukham ase. Aham sukham ase means kaha aham. Aham Brahma Chaitanyam Sat Chit Ananda. While saying, I am using body mind. Okay. Next shloka. Sukhadi Rupa Niyamam Bhaveshvalokya Bhurishah Shubhashubhe Vihayasmat Ahamase Yatha Sukham. That aham, carefully you have to understand. Janaka can say, Swamini, aham ase sukham. How can I say, I have water problem, I have electricity problem, I have this problem, that problem? Janaka also has got problem because son-in-law left his daughter. Sita Devi. Not 1 day or 2 days. 14 years. How much pain he must have now. But he is telling what? Aham sukham ase. Janaka won't have responsibility about Sita. How can he say like this? As Janaka father, he may have worry, but as Atma Aham, no worry. Atma Rama Ananda Ramana. Revel. Ramana means what? Revel. Where? In Atma. Where is Rama? Here only. Ramate iti Ramaha. Atma Swarupam. Sukha Adi Rupa Aniyamam Bhaveshu Alokya Bhurishaha. Underline pandukonga. Very important. Alokya. Having analyzed, having done the threadbare analysis of what? Of the things. Bhaveshu. All the objects, all people, they have what? Sukhadirupa aniyamam. I thought, normally people think, if I have money, if I would have money, lot of money, I would have not faced this problem. Suppose a person says, he has to do analyze. Who are all having money, are they free from problems? No, they are not free from problem. That means what? In spite of money, richness, they are having problems. Therefore, this statement, if I have money, I would have overcome this problem, another wrong statement. Yes or no? Money is there, if your problem is solved, and there are lot of people, rich people, they are having problem. Because of richness, they have problem. பணக்காரனுக்கு ஒரே தூக்கமே வராது. Sleepless nights. Sleepless nights. So, sukha adipadat, sukha, dukkha, etc., etc., aniyamam. Aniyam means they are not same. They are not same, they are always changing, fluctuating. They are not same or uniform. Conditions for happiness. Sukhadi rupam aniyamam. Conditions for happiness are not the same all the time. They are all changing. How many times we have undergone sukham and how many times we have lost our sukham? Can you count? Uncountable. uncountable. Sukhadi Rupam Aniyamam, where? Bhaveshu, in all people, in all objects in the world. Whatever gadget you are using, for some time it works. Afterwards, you see, pen work pannadu, phone vela pannadu, water machine, washing machine vela pannadu, grinder vela pannadu, tube light vela pannadu, fan vela pannadu, gas stove வேலை பண்ணாது, சிலிண்டர் லீக் ஆகும் ஒரு வாட்டி, ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம், பாத்ரூமில் பைப்பு லீக்கிங்கு, ஒன்றா ரெண்டா, ஹவு மெனி திங்ஸ் யூ ஆர் டிபெண்டிங் அப்பான், எவ்ரி பிளெஸ்ட் திங் அநியமம். இட் இஸ் நாட் ஹேவிங் எனி ஃபிக்ஸ்டு ஸ்டேட், ஆல்வேஸ் இட் இஸ் சேஞ்சிங். Including body, including mind also, including mind also. Whatever you are wearing, upon what you are wearing, everything. Bhaveshu alokya, having seen, pariksha lokan karmachitan brahmano nirveda mayat. Some mature people, some refined, koncham mature people, they always analyze. Pariksha lokan. We need not undergo all adversities. By seeing people when they are suffering, this is possible for anyone. That's called pariksha. I need not go in oru baanaikku oru soor. In our family, in our relatives, friends, anybody is suffering, no? Oh, this may come to anyone at any time. There is no niyamam. Namak varadu. Appadum niyamam kadiyadu. Anything can happen at any time for anyone. Not only person, for objects also. Alokya. Bhurishaha. Bhurishaha means not one or two. Hundreds of things, hundreds of people I have analyzed, I have seen exactly what is life. By பார்த்துன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம் இல்லையா? When person gone inside the water, how much deep he is, near knee, up to knees or up to hip, up to shoulders, you can see and observe. No, நான் நீ கூட வா, எவ்வளோ டெப்த் இருக்கு பாருன்னு சூக்கு போடுறான். That person is calling you. What you can say? I need not come, I am seeing by you. See, by seeing you, I can understand how much depth is there. என்ன உள்ள போகணுமா? அவன் கூப்பிடுவான், பரவாயில்ல வா வாமா, வேண்டாப்பா நீ இருங்கண்ணா. That's why people always, immature people go inside, mature people from outside itself they see the depth of the samsara. வேண்டாப்பா நமக்கு இந்த சம்சாரம். Even you go also little bit, அங்கே பாசி எல்லாம் இருக்கும், வேண்டாப்பா இது slippery and you break your head. Therefore some people after seeing few experiences in the life, பாசி என்று தெரிஞ்சிடும், எதுக்கு I have to break my head అని చెప్పి இது దూరాత్ అస్పర్శనం వరం అన్నారు. ప్రక్షాళనాధి పంకస్య దూరాత్ అస్పర్శనం వరం. அது ஆல்ரெடி டர்ட்டி ஸ்லஷி மேட்டர், அதில் போய் கால் வச்சுன்னு அப்புறம் கழுவிக்கணுமா என்ன? காலே வைக்க வேண்டாமே, எதுக்கு கழுவிக்கணும்? அந்த மாதிரி. ஓகே, பூரிஷா நிறைய அர்த்தம். ஒன்றா ரெண்டா எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டான்னா, எல்லாம் அனுபவிச்சில்லை, எல்லாரும் அனுபவிக்கும் போது அவனுக்கோட கஷ்டம் பார்த்துட்டு எனக்கு வேண்டாப்பான்னு சொல்கிறது. சில பேர் என்ன நினைப்பான்னா, அவர் எல்லாம் லைஃப்பில் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டார், அவருக்கு வைராக்கியம் வந்தாச்சா. எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டுக்கப்புறம் வைராக்கியம் அது குட்டு கிடைக்கிறது. இட்ஸ் நாட் வைராக்கியம். By experiencing everything, no way for him, he comes in distress, he comes out. That is happens to many people. But some mature, very, very refined mind people, without entering into the problems, samsara, the worldly matters, by seeing other people's suffering, they are careful. That's why Ashtavakrake Janaka is telling, Bhurishaha Alokya, what Alokya? Bhaveshu Aniyamam Alokya. Sukhadirupam means Sukha, Dukkha, Vyadhi, Jara, Marana, all these things. Therefore what? Shubha Ashubhe Vihaya. Therefore I have dropped interest in what? Mangalam and Amangalam. I am not for auspicious things also. I am not going away from inauspicious also. That is why we always invite all Mangalam in our life, auspicious, good things. When anything inauspicious or anything giving pain, we want to turn our head and we want to go away from that slowly. This shows what? This is called ஒரு கண்ணால பார்க்கறது, ஏகாட்சி. ஏகாட்சி என்ன தெரியும் இல்லை? காக்கா மாதிரி. காக்கா இல்லை, அது என்ன பேர்டு இருக்கு? காக்கா தான். ஏகாட்சி, ஒரு கண்ணு தான் ஒரு பக்கம் பார்க்க முடியும் அதுக்கு. அது மாதிரி நம்ம கூட ஏகாட்சி மாதிரி all pleasant only we see. Even God also, when He fulfills everything, one lady is just shouting at Bhagavan, Poda, Poda, கோபம் பண்ண மாட்டான். What she wants is not giving in spite of prayer. உனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட அறிவே இல்லை, கொஞ்சம் கூட பிரேமம் இல்லை, கொஞ்சம் கூட கருணை இல்லை, கொஞ்சம் கூட இது பகவான் கிட்ட ஷவுட்டிங் அந்த மாதிரி. When he is doing everything nicely, குடக்கட்டை, தேங்காய், ஸோ எல்லாருமே போடுவோம், பகவானுக்கு கொடுப்போம். அது கொடுக்கலன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? திஸ் கால் ஏகாட்சி. ஆல் ஃபேவரபிள் இருந்ததுன்னா பகவான் we accept. Unfavorable is there, any unpleasant, we shout at Bhagavan, we criticize Bhagavan, or we drop Bhagavan. People do that. When Shubha comes, everything is fine. Bhagavan romba karunayan. Adhe Bhagavan. When unfavorable situation comes, அவர் இருக்காரா? நேற்று வரைக்கும் இருக்கிற எங்கே போயிருப்பார்? நேற்று வரைக்கும் இருந்தாரே, இப்போ எங்கே போயிருப்பார்? That's why I say people have doubt. Bhagavan's blessings are there on us or not. People have doubt when they are under trivial situations. We are lacking Bhagavan's blessing because of our papa. Bhagavan is not blessing us. Shastra says Bhagavan's blessings are showering all the time on all people. There is no doubt in that. There is no partiality for Bhagavan. 1 hour today blessings, 2 hours blessings in that. Or 2 months, 3 months. 360 days. Throughout life, Bhagavan's blessings are there on everyone. But you have to surrender to that Bhagavan. Keeping mistake with us, not surrendering to him, we question Bhagavan. That's why Janaka Maharaj says, Shubha Ashubhe. Because both are two sides of the same coin. We have to accept. In the cosmic phenomenon, darkness and light, pain and pleasure, gain and loss. The nature of the world is that. Wherever Shubham, there is Ashubham bound to. Birth, death. All pairs of opposites you have to accept. நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம் என்னென்னா எல்லாம் ப்ளசண்ட் எல்லாம் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணுவோம், அன்பிளசண்ட் எல்லாமே ஈவன் we cannot imagine. இமேஜின் பண்ணுறதுக்கே பிடிக்காது, இங்கே எங்கே அக்செப்ட் பண்ணுறது? Janaka says, I don't have that problem. Because in Anatma, body, mind, they are bound to be there. I am Atma, I am Shubha Swarupam all the time. Mangala Swarupam. शांतं शिवम अद्वैतं चतुर्थम मन्यन्ते स आत्मा स विज्ञेयः. I am always Mangala Swarupam. Therefore, I never bother about Anatmas Shubha Ashubha. Shubha Shubhe Vihaya. Since I am free from Ahankara, therefore I am free from Shubha Ashubha. Why? In me, the Brahman Aham, secondary I, there is neither Shubha nor Ashubha. I am not the body mind complex, it is Mithya. Okay. Why I have to worry about that Shubha Ashubha? Because it's bound to happen. Vyadhi is also, as long as Prarabdha is there, this body moves. What disease is going to come already, we have carrying. எப்போ வருமோ தெரியாது, எந்த ரூபத்தில் வருமோ தெரியாது. இதெல்லாம் சொன்னாலே சில பேருக்கு பயம், கிளாஸுக்கே வரமாட்டான். அந்த அளவுக்கு பயம் இருக்கிறவன் வந்து என்னதான் மோட்சம் வரணும் அவனுக்கு? அபயமான ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம் யூ ஹாவ் டு ஓன். மீன்ஸ் கஷ்டித் தீரஹா பிரத்யகாத்மான மைக்ஷத். எ கரேஜியஸ் பர்சன் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? எ திங்கிங் பர்சன். A bold, courageous person only get jnanam, not a weak-minded person. Weak-minded person, bhayam always, insecurity, worry about future, anxiety. அவனுக்கு என்னதான் ஞானம் வரும்? ஞானமே வராது, வரவே வராது. ஓகே ஓகே. விஹாய அஸ்மாத், because of this knowledge, in me the Atma, there is no Shubham or Ashubham. Body, mind bound to have Shubham, but I am not connected with that. It is my instrument. I am using it. You can find any perfect car throughout life, can maintain perfect. Which object is perfect in your house? Tell me now. Which object is perfect? Nothing. Including your body. Mind சொல்லவே வேண்டாம். எதில் பர்ஃபெக்ஷன் இருக்கு? அனாத்மா அப்படிதான். ஆத்மால எவர் பர்ஃபெக்ஷன், எவர் பர்ஃபெக்ட். అనాత్మ ఈజ్ నెవర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. అది అది దానికి దీనికి సరిపోయింది. అది అప్పటిదా, ఇది ఇప్పటిదా. నాను యారిపో, నాను ఎవరు పర్ఫెక్ట్? ఆత్మ. నో అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్. హియర్ యూ అడ్జస్ట్ ఆల్సో, అది అప్పటిదా. దేర్ ఫోర్ యూజ్ ద అన్అడ్జస్టబుల్ బాడీ మైండ్, மேனேஜ் வித் தட். டக்கடக்கா கார் மேனேஜ் பண்ணுறோமோ இல்லையா? வீட்டில் டக்கடக்கா வஸ்து மேனேஜ் பண்ணுறோமோ இல்லையா? இந்த உடம்பு கூட டக்கடக்கா கடகடா மேனேஜ் பண்ணு. பட் இன் மீதி ஆத்மா தெர் இஸ் நோ கடகடா டக்கடக்கா, ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. எவர் ஃப்ரீ. சீயிங் ஆல் த டிஃபெக்டிவ் பாடி, ஐ எம் எவர் defectless one. This is called maturity. This is called knowledge. Aham sukham ase. Like what? All Ashtavakra students, Ashtavakra Gita students, all are remaining ase, sukham ase. And not only Janaka. இப்போ நம்ம சொல்லணும் அது. ஜனகர் ரொம்ப நன்னா சொல்கிறார். பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிஹி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ ஹரிஹி ஓம்.